This video is about how you can contact the United States government. There are 3 different types of people you can contact in the United States government. You can contact your U.S. representative, your senators, and the president. Your U.S. representative is one person based on your district. You can find them through your zip code. Senators are also people you can contact. Senators are 2 people based on your state. You can find them by looking up your state. Lastly, you can contact the president. He's one person based on living in the United States, and anyone in the U.S. can contact the president. Do I have to be a U.S. citizen or a U.S. permanent resident? No, you do not need to be a U.S. citizen to write. Anyone living in America or from America can write to the President or Congress. I am not registered to vote. Can I write? Yes, it is an American right to speak to your elected representative. What do I need to write to Congress and the President? You need your address, phone number, and email address. That's it. Will they answer me back? Different offices will take different amounts of time to answer. If you don't hear anything, don't give up. Write again or call. Can I call my representative instead? Yes, you can call their offices and someone who works in the office will answer, or you can leave a message. How to find your U.S. representative? You can go to house.gov/representatives/find your representative. Here you will need to type in your zip code and click Find Your Rep by Zip. You will see a map of your district and then your U.S. representative and their name. You can click on the letter to send them a message. You will need to complete the form with your name, address, zip code, phone number, and email address. Yes, you would like a response. And your issue is related to foreign affairs. You need to type in a subject or what your letter is about. And then you can type in your letter. Once you are done, you can click Submit. To write to your U.S. senators, you can go to senate.gov/senators/contact. Here, you can choose your state, and you'll see both of your U.S. senators. You can write to both of them. You would click on Contact in order to mail them, or you can also call them at this phone number. You want to send your letter, you need to complete your form again, as well with your name, phone number, what county you live in, your address, email, and then your message topic is foreign affairs, and the subject telling them what your message is about, and then typing your message. And then when you're done, you can click Submit. You can do this for both of your U.S. senators. Lastly, to contact the White House and the President, you can go to whitehouse.gov/contact. Here you will type or select Contact the President, your name, your email, your phone number, your address, your state, and your message. And then click Send. So this is how you can contact the United States government. You can contact your U.S. representative, your 2 senators, and the president. If you do not hear back from them, do not give up, but keep trying again with another letter or calling them, because they are to listen to you and your concerns and your worries. Best of luck, and I hope you will hear from each of them soon.